This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by locating the emergency key on the Ford FlexKey fob and slide or press the release to remove it. Remove the emergency key first. Set the key and any small parts on a clean surface to avoid loss. You will need a CR2032 battery. Inspect the fob for a small seam and a locking tab. Pry the fob halves apart using a flat tool at the seam, applying gentle pressure to avoid cracking the plastic and keeping the buttons intact. With the fob open, note the battery orientation and printed polarity marking beside the holder. Observe the battery orientation with plus facing up. Carefully lift out the old CR2032 using a plastic pry tool or non-magnetic tweezers to avoid shorting. Insert new CR2032 firmly into the housing, ensuring it sits flat and the spring or clip engages. Do not touch battery contacts with bare hands. Skin oils can align the two plastic halves precisely, making sure no buttons or the rubber pad are pinched between them. Snap the fob halves together until you hear a click. Reinsert the emergency key into its slot and verify it locks securely. Test buttons and the keyless start. Range should be restored when the battery is seated correctly. If the range is weak, reopen and confirm polarity and contact cleanliness. Finally, check remote locking at 10 feet and then 30 feet to confirm consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.